Okay, here we go. One more day of trading. Okay, I've got a GEX spot pulled up and Quant Tower pulled up. I'm here in my trading combine, and I am going to go one contract today. I'm going to continue doing one contract for a little while. Price action is pretty bananas. Look at this. In the overnight, in the MNQ, we have a range from 467 all the way down here to 124. That is a fucking massive range. So we're just going to mark out the top and the bottom of that range here. All right. As of right now, our biggest liquidity is right down here at 7,400 on the ES. Everything seems to be checking out. We're going to mark that out here as well. Boom. Copy. We're going to paste this in a few different spots. Paste. We're going to put that right here and paste. We're going to bring this also up to the top. Overnight high at 1 o'clock in the morning, it jumped up all the way to 470 before firing back down. Let's actually open up our Discord, see what's going on in the group chat. Discord and Forex. Today, Thursday. We've got nothing happening. Which is fine with me. Singing my Brown. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to put my left profile over here. Okay. And I like my step profile, the 1 hour step profile. Gives me an idea of what's happening on the hour every hour. So we look here on the ES. It seems as if in the last hour we've had price accepting over here at a little bit lower. A lot of volume down here on the ES. We'll do the same thing over here. And we are going to put this volume profile on the left side for both of these. Right profile, take this one off. Left profile, volume, buy, sell. Although, maybe we'll just do volume. We'll do buy, sell. And we're doing it for the current week. Okay, where are the volume shelves? I'll be right back, guys. Okay, market has opened, and check it out. We got some good news. Looks like NQ broke out of this little range. Positive gamma on both sides. Have ourselves a bullish divergence. You have some sell orders coming in. On the NQ. Let's see if it drops down to 410. If it drops down here to 410, I'm liking this as a trade. I have a feeling it's going to drop down to 121. I'm just not seeing a ton of buyers stepping in right now. But we had a lot of positive delta in this previous candle. So it looks like they're trying to push their way up. See, right here at 170, we've got a pretty big volume shelf on the ES or on the NQ. So if it pushes back down there, that might be another good spot to trade. Oh, it did. Kind of liking this as well, you guys. I'm liking it coming down to 415. Let's see what it does right here. If it reacts negatively at 420, we had some big buyers coming in there. So if it pushes past that, I think this is a good spot to take a trade. That would be the 7 EMA. I'm gonna take one.
Order filled.
Question is it going to pop up here to the top of my range? You know what? Maybe, once again, you see that wasn't a great trade, you guys. It was not a great trade. I chased that coming up. Do it all the time. Drives me nuts. Now, this one's going to stop me out, I think. Really not proud of that trade. There was no bounce liquidity, nothing. I want it to come down to 410 before it bounces. And for it not to leave here. We got negative gamma in the ES, positive gamma in the NQ. Although if NQ is going to follow ES, right now ES is on its way down. And I have a feeling it's going to go down to 410. We have sellers coming in at the bottom of each one of these little mini ranges. Yeah, it's having a hard time pushing past those EMAs as well. Big sell order coming in. I'm going to cut this trade. I should have cut it earlier. Yeah, I'm going to cut this trade, guys.
Order filled.
That's a loss. Little FOMO trade right there. Like I said, I want it to come down to 411, 412. We've got some liquidity stacking up over here at 210. Mm-hmm. 4-0. You know what? I think now is the time. I'm going to buy one.
Order filled.
Although it's pretty much the same place. Although I don't feel bad about this particular one on the account. That it did come down to that liquidity on the ES. And we have buy orders coming in. Looks like there is a little bit of positive gamma at 440. See if it comes in. I mean, it's pretty much holding VWAP right now, though. We're going to take this one down to I guess we just see what happens. Is there any divergences happening? I don't think so. Not yet. Looks like gamma is still mostly negative on the ES. Although it looks like there is some flipping happening. 420 and 440. There's some liquidity at 210. Once again, 210 is holding. A lot of limit orders right there at 210. And same thing with 410. Below that is 405. Oh man, price keeps dropping. Just broke past 210. Could have been a liquidity sweep. I don't know. Maybe not.
Order filled.
That's 2 losses, guys, in a row. Let's see if it comes down here to 410 on the ES. Yeah, see, we have a big buyer that came down there at 410. Look at that. And it just got absorbed. Huge, big sells.
Order filled.
Have some liquidity over 250. There's really nothing up here until 425 on the ES. $260 is where we have some gamma stacking up. Not gamma, limit orders. More cells. Let's put a limit buy down here. At 191 is where I have my limit buy. $408 was where there's some liquidity. Delta is still pretty negative here, guys.
Order filled.
Whoop. See? I'm about to lose my ass if this trade goes sideways. Whoa, big buys coming in. Big buys coming in. Whoa, big pushes in, big pushes in. That was exciting. Came up all the way up here to VWAP. Let's take one off.
Order
guys.
filled.
We're in a zero trade right now. So the limit buy order was the thing to do, of course. It always is. Wow, we have big, huge. Wow, look at this. Lots of buying coming in. Lots of buying coming in. There's liquidity stacked up here at 431, but it just busted right through it. Man, we have a lot of buy orders coming in all over the place in the ES and in the NQ. I mean, it is smashing right through that. So big buy orders coming in. But it hit right there at VWAP and then stalled out. Big buyers coming in again. We have a lot of liquidity up here at, looks like it's going to target 440. $2,900. Wow, big buy order up there too. Man, we have a lot of positive delta. The delta is just going nuts. I mean, we could possibly see a push up to the top of this range. Another big buy order. We have liquidity stacked up here at 440. Pushing it down just a hair. Let's bring this up to a some sell orders coming in. Is it going to hold here at VWAP? We had a load of positive delta a second ago, so I'm guessing that it's going to continue up. Right around that 440 level. Major positive gamma is at 469. Major positive gamma on the NQ is at 351. And right now our target is at 344. 343. Some big buys coming in on the ES and some sells. Bigger sells, however, on the NQ. ES seems to be holding up, though. Question is price going to push up higher to 343? With some liquidity up here at 300. At 440 numbers where it's just having a hard time. I'm gonna cut out here, guys. Bringing that up to right there. If it falls down here, it falls down for good. We're gonna push up. Let's see. You're gonna get up to that 440, or in this case, 340. Boom! We just hit that. Great. We'll just smash some liquidity up there. Will it continue to push? Let's see. Got some. It did get the 440. Oh. It's always these like last 10, 20 points that just kill me. I'm going to trail my 7 EMA though. $352. That's the number. We have some trapped sellers up here. A lot of delta in this candle right here as well. Although oddly enough, we have some selling pressure. What the hell is going on here with the NQ? ES is pushing up. Got some price acceptance over here in the 300 range. What is that? Sells. This is interesting right here. See what happens. Either it pushes up higher, so right now looks like it's getting flat. My delta is getting flat. Got some sell orders coming in. It might actually stop me out.
Order filled.
Yeah, it stopped me out. For shits and giggles. I would love to see what price does here. Let's go 5. Small.
Order filled.
This is also a decent trade. We had explosive upward movement. We have a retrace all the way back down to VWAP. And my hypothesis is that it's going to continue higher on the account that major gamma is positive in both NQ and ES. But this is a paper trade. This is not an actual trade in my combine. And I'm going to sign off for the day. This is my final trade. I need to journal those other 3 trades. And we'll see what happens.